Hey y'all, it's your girl Lex. Come along with me as I show you how I style my hair 3 different ways using Aunt Jackie's. I'm starting with the Aunt Jackie's Elixir Hair and Scalp Oil. It has biotin, rosemary, and mint, which helps promote hair growth. I've now massaged the oil into my scalp and hair, and I'll now be going in with the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Curling Gel. This gel helps with elongating curls so that you don't have as much shrinkage. I'll be putting this throughout my hair. I'll then be going in with the Frizz Patrol Anti-Poof Setting Mousse, which is mineral oil and silicone free, and I'll be distributing this product throughout my hair to set my curls. After letting the style air dry for a few hours, this is the final result. Okay, Aunt Jackie's, I see you, girl. The curly fro is fro'in, honey, okay? And with very minimal styling. And now I'm gonna show you how we can switch it up, girl. I'll be taking 2 scrunchies to do a half up, half down, 2 puff afro look. Let's get into it, honey. And then I will be using the Elixir oil just to make sure my hair is nice and hydrated. And voila, I'm 2 puff shawty, okay? Looking cute, girl. And now let's get into the final look. I'll be using one of my headbands to make my classic high afro puff. This style is super quick and easy, and you can see it came out super cute, okay? I'm def feeling these Aunt Jackie's products. And now it's your turn. Try these Aunt Jackie's products on your next wash day and see what amazing styles you can come up with. Thanks for tuning in. See you later.